back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect omelette. It's quick, easy and delicious. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need: 3 large eggs, salt and pepper, butter or oil, your choice of flavors can be cheese, ham and vegetables. I added green pepper and mushrooms. Trust me guys, I cannot cook without pungent spice. Here I was adding up a bit of chutney to make it sweet and sour. Add pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Today I'm adding cheese Russian, but you can use whatever you like. Veggies, bacon, up to you guys. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them well. Add a pinch of salt and the pepper to taste. So please make sure that your eggs are mixed. I choose Aromat. So here was heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a bit of butter. Once it's hot, gently lift the edges of the omelette with a spatula, letting the uncooked eggs flow to the edges. When your eggs are mostly set but still slightly running on top, there is no omelette without adding cheese. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my cooking recipes. Thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.